Hi friends, in the previous video we created an organization in Azure DevOps. Now in this video we will be creating a project inside that organization. So before creating a project, let's understand what is a project in Azure DevOps. A project in Azure DevOps provide a place for users to plan, track progress and collaborate on a building a software solutions. A project represents a fundamental container where you can store data and source code. To create a new project, you must have at least one organization. So we already have one organization and we will be creating a project inside that organization. You must be a member of project collection administrator group to create a new project. Then you can have up to 1000 projects within an organization. You can create a two types of project in Azure DevOps, public or a private. So anyone from the internet can view the public project, and the only people who give you access can view the private project. Means for public project, don't need a sign in to view the public project. For the private, we need to sign in before view a private project. You can add multiple teams in a single projects. Project administrator can invite people or add in the project to contribute. Project provides a pipeline, repo, boards, test plan, and artifact to develop a software. And we'll see all those services after creating a project in the DevOps. So let's go to Azure DevOps and create a new project. So here I'm in my Azure DevOps account, and here you can see we have a two organization. So this is the latest organization which we created in the previous video, and we will be creating a project inside this organization. So let's select this organization and type the project name. Okay, so here you can see the public project option is disabled now. So if you want to enable this option, go to the organization settings, then go to the policies, and here you can see it is off now. So let's click on the save. Now again go back to the organization. Okay, so again you need to type the project name. Then yeah, so now you can see you can create a public project now. So for this demo, we will be creating a private one. So let's select the private and then click on the advanced. So here we have two options: version control and work item process. So if you click, we have two options: Git and Team Foundation version control. So we will be selecting a Git for this demo. And here you can see we have four options: Agile, Basic, CMMI, Scrum. So in the later video, we will be going through all this process. So for this demo, we will be selecting the basic one. Then click on the create project. Yeah, so our first project is created under this organization, right? So here you can see this is a blank. Actually, we have not created anything inside project. So you can see there is only one member is a part of this project. Project starts are blank right now, and from here you can invite people to contribute this project. And this is the main part of our project. So here all the options, right, to create a boards, create a repository, create a pipeline, test plans, and then artifacts. So we will be creating all these services later in the coming video. Let's go to the project setting and see what are the options you can see there. So here is a overview, right? So you can see the project name, description. You can change the name, description. So this project created using a basic process. You can see the visibility is private. You can, if you want, you can change to public. Then this is the uh, project administrator users. Right now, you can add one more from here. These are the Azure DevOps services right now enable for this project. If you don't want any particular service, then just click on and remove that from the project. I will be keeping all the on here. Here you can see the option to delete the project. Then if you click on the teams, so this is the default project team created with this project. You can create a new team from here. If you click on the permission, these are the default groups created with the project. Again, if you want to add a new group or users, you can have an option here. Then if you click on the notification, these are the default notifications or predefined notification created. Like when the build is complete, right? When the build is complete, the auto notification will go to the project team. Then if you remove the reviewer or from if you remove or add the reviewer from the pull request, then it will notify the project team members. So all these are the actions available here. So after this action is happened, the auto notification will go to the project team member. Then there is a service hooks. It is also blank now. We'll create this in coming video. If you click on the dashboard, so all the settings are disabled now. So if you want to create a dashboard, if you want to create, edit or delete dashboard, just enable it so that you can create a new dashboard inside the project. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, I think. So thanks for watching.